Hello dear viewers, welcome to the world of Horilla. In this video, let's discuss about the rotating work type and the rotating shift type. So the rotating work type is nothing but the rotation of the work types. So work types can be of two, which is like work from office and work from home. So this can be rotated on a particular interval that is specified by the users. Similarly, we have the rotating shift type. So shift also can be from like morning shift, night shift and so on. So here also we can specify an interval, and based on the interval, the shift keeps on rotating. So let's move on to the video and see how it works. Okay, so let me show you how the rotating work type assign and rotating shift assign works. So first thing which you have to do is go to the profile of the logged in user. So this is Adam and his profile. So if you just take a look at the work information, here you can see the work type is work from office. Okay, so we'll we'll assign a work shift, that is the work type rotation for this person. So first things which you have to do is here you have an icon for the settings on the top bar. So click on that, and here you can see work type as well as rotating work type. So let's click on rotating work type and create a new work type rotation. So let the name be new rotation. Okay, and I'm choosing the work type as work from office and the work type 2 as work from home. So once the rotation is set, I'm going to save it. Okay, so as you can see, new rotation, work from office, work from home, that is created. Now let's assign this to Adam. So for that, you have to go to the rotating work type assign, which comes under the employee module. Click on that, and here you can see all the rotating work types which are assigned to different employees. So let's assign a new one. Here you have to choose the name of the person. So I'm choosing Adam, and the rotating work type, I'm choosing it as new rotation. So currently Adam is working from office. Okay. So this is the start date, and it should be like you can choose it based on after weekend or monthly. So I'm choosing it as after rotation after 5 days. So save it, and here you can see like the work type assigning is done, that is the rotation is done. So you can see Adam, the work type assigning, that is the rotation, is new rotation, and it's based on after. Okay, so after 5 days, it will start on 6th June, and after 5 days, that current work type will rotate and change to the other work type. Okay, so it's 6th June, after 5 days means it's June 11. So currently it's work from office, and after June 11, it will be work from home. And again, after 6 days, after 5 days, it will change to work from office. After 5 days, again, it will change to work from home. And so the rotation will continue. Okay, this can be done based on after, weekly and monthly. So this is the case of after. Now if you just click on edit, and here you can choose weekend. Okay, it will start on from today, and weekend I'm going to choose Friday. So on every Fridays this will change. So I'm saving the changes, and here you can see Adam, the new rotation is based on weekly, so rotate on every Friday. So it will start on June 6th, work from home, and June 9th is Friday, so on Friday it will change to work from home. Currently it's in work from office, and on June 9th of Friday it will change to work from home. Similarly, on the next Friday it will be work from office, and the next Friday work from home, and so on it will get repeated. And one more thing which we have is based on monthly, that is on a monthly basis. So rotate on every which date, you can choose the date on which this rotation should happen. So if it's suppose this is June, right? So on June 15th, then the next rotation should happen. So I'm changing it. So on, as you can see, where is that? So here you have the date 15, okay, and June 6th. So this is starting on June 6th. On June 15, it will change. And when it's July 15, it will change to work from office. Then August 15, it will change to work from home, and so on. So this is how the rotation of work type is taking place. Okay, it's really simple. You have to create a work type rotation first, and then apply or assign it to an employee. And based on what you are giving, whether it's monthly, weekly, or after, based on that, the rotation will take place, and this will be clearly given here. That is when will be the next switch will be given here. So that's how you do the work type assign rotation. Okay. Similarly, we have the rotating shift assign. Okay. We have the rotating shift assign. So this is actually like the only difference is that the shifts have been changing. That is, a person might have regular shift, night shift, morning shift, and so on. So whatever shift you are giving him, that shift will change or rotate. So for that, you have to go to the settings module. And in the settings, you can see the employee shift as well as the rotating shift. Okay. So here our rotating shift is already created. Now we'll go to Adam and check what his shift is currently. So the shift information, as you can see, this is regular shift. Okay. So currently he's working on regular shift. So I'll do one thing. Go to the settings, create a rotating shift. Okay. So I'll put new shift and let's choose one. So currently he is having regular shift. So I'll put it to morning shift and regular shift and save change. So new shift, shift 1 is morning shift and shift 2 is regular shift. Okay. Now let's put it to employee or assign it to the employee. So here you have rotating shift assign, and here let's click on the assign button. So I'm choosing Adam, rotating shift. I'm choosing the new shift which I created right now. And here also you have the option to set a start date when this should get started. And also this is based on weekly, monthly and after. So you can choose whether it's, the rotation should take place on a weekend or monthly or after. So we'll see all the three cases. So if it's after, so it will start on 6th of June and after 5 days means from 6th after 5 days, what happens? The next rotation will take place. So I'm saving the changes. So as you can see, currently he's in regular shift. Okay. And the next shift will be, okay, so done small mistake. Let's change it. Here I'm taking rotating shift and let's edit it and switch it. Okay. So here I'll put regular shift. Here I'll put morning shift because that person is already having regular shift. Okay. So now let's try to apply it. Okay. Let's delete it and assign once again. Okay. So click on the assign, add the employee over here, which is Adam. And you have the new shift over here. So on 6th, it will start based on after 5 days. Save changes, and here you can see Adam, the title is a new shift. It's based on after, and the rotate, that is the rotation will take place after 5 days. So start date is 6th June and the next switch will be on June 11, which is 5 days after June 6. So here you can see the current shift is regular shift and the next shift will be morning shift. Okay. So after next 5 days, it will go back to regular shift, and after that morning shift, and so on, the rotation will take place. So if I've chosen based on weekend, you can choose on which day this has to change. So save it. Okay. So here you have Adam. So currently the start date is June 6th. So June 9th is Friday. So on that Friday, it will change to morning shift. And the next Friday, it will change to regular shift. And so on every Fridays, the rotation will take place. So that's weekly. And we have one more thing, which is the monthly one. Okay. And you can choose the date on like if you're choosing 15, like on 15th of every month, the rotation should take place. So I'll put 25 and save change. So as you can see, this will start on June 6th. Okay. So this will start on June 6th and the next shift will be on June 25th. So currently we have regular shift, and on 25th of June, it will change to morning shift. And if it's July 25th, it will go back to regular shift. And then August 25th, it will go back to morning shift, and so on. So this process takes place on a monthly basis. Okay, on every month, on a particular date which we specify, the rotation takes place. So that was all about the rotating shift type as well as the rotating work type. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.